This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Cerise Noah. Charming fully furnished home. This cozy one-bedroom loft condo is very spacious with an open floor plan great room, and 1.5 baths. Look out through large picture windows to a private back patio and greenbelt view the gorgeous trees. Loft bedroom is large and sunny. Wonderful location close to everything: golf course, restaurants, swimming pool, tennis court, and public transportation. Area amenities: 18-hole golf course, marina, health club, Lake Whatcom access, trails, fishing, beaches, 24/7 security, and more. Welcome to peace and tranquility and fun in your front yard. For more information, review the details below or contact Cerise Noah at 360